See what the delay is like. And there it goes on my dashboard. Just check, see what the delay is. And it's still not delay. Okay. Apparently there's a viewer. Hi, viewer. Yeah. Welcome back to some more Lego building. We're going to be building this. McLaren. Good old British car brand. We're going to be building a McLaren Elva. It's this polybag I found in Tesco. Now I've got some of the McLaren I've got some of the Lego Speed Champions full kits already. I quite enjoy them. I'm not the biggest car person in the world. However, I do appreciate a good motor when I see one. And this is one of the smaller versions of the commercially available kits. I should really. Yeah, that's better. Get a good look at that. Lovely. Now, real talk. Where's my... The realest talk, yo. Stickers. I can already see stickers. We're going to get through this. Okay? So we're going to be building this. But first of all, I said I'd show you. Here's the big crane I was building off stream. The excavator. Yeah. Sometimes you just have to get a bit of technique in your life. And I don't know what to tell you. I'm just a sucker for treads and mechanics. I can't really move it myself at the moment like that because it has twiddly bits, so you can move it yourself. So you can move it like that, you see? But yeah, very happy with this. Nice and yellow. Reminds me a bit like Wally. Anyway. Also, as well as this today, I picked up the child. Not just any child, not just my child. The child. The only one. There he is. Feast your eyes. Yeah. So I got him. But let's continue with this, shall we? Okay. Now, if this was any other car brand, like Ferrari or Ford or even Chevrolet, then I may not have picked this up. But McLaren. Yeah. So sometimes it's good to support the British car manufacturers when and where you can. Oh no, it's a concertina map. It's a map instruction. No, dear. So this is what we're dealing with. It's not a booklet. It's a fold-out instruction book. Look. Okay, immediately there's an issue. Look at that. Empty space. Guys, Lego, my dudes. Look at all this empty space that you could have filled with something. You see? Got all that, and then there's that. Why? Look, on the other side, it's completely full. On this side, you got empty space. Are you supposed to draw your own instructions or something for a model that you come up with? I don't think so. Okay. So this is only a small kit. Let's get some of that nice Lego going. Yep, only a small kit, so hopefully shouldn't take too long. But what is in here? I know what's in here. I can see you. Stickers. Okay. Alright, let's get to it straight away. The first pieces, they go. They snap. Do-do-do. Yeah, that's the good stuff. That's the good stuff right there. Good stuff. Okay, so we're dealing with a nice blue, black, with a bit of white thing colour scheme. That's the word I was trying to think of. Colour scheme. So yeah, a bit of an impromptu stream, this one. Because I've seen this kit just hanging there on the peg in Tesco Express for quite a while now. And it's one of those things that you pass and think, should I? Should I indeed? Don't forget, clean fingers for your Lego. Should I indeed? And now, because I've already streamed some Lego, hi Ray, over there, now's as good a time as any. Alright. That is step 2. Okay, now we're getting, we're already getting to some exciting stuff here. We're getting to some axles! Yeah. Oh, yeah. That Lego Foley. Sometimes it's just what it's all about. Okay. Do-do-do-do. And also, I've already been watching Jurassic World Camp Cretaceous Season 3, so don't you worry. I'm on it. I'm halfway through. And yeah, it's pretty good. No, it's actually not bad. It's yeah, I'm enjoying. And because it's the halfway point of the season, it's the point where you really, really, really need to know what happens next. But you don't want to spoil yourself too much, you know. You gotta have a chance to haven't seen one of these recently. I've seen bigger versions of these cross pieces, but I don't think I've seen... Yes, thank you. My goodness. Laptop is still new. Thank you. Go away. All right. Do-do-do-do. And what I want to do as well is... I see, we're getting a bit of a pattern there. Lovely. What I want to do as well is compose a little bit of chill stream music. I've got a keyboard, so hopefully I can do something with it by means of recording what I play. Now I'm already planning to set up like a sub YouTube channel to throw my music on, and eventually I'll get around to doing that. But for now, there's just other things. Okay. Also, anybody in the chat, let me know if I'm sounding okay. I'm sounding a bit too loud. The only thing I can really do, in respect of that, is wait a second, is Oh, I see. Yeah, the only thing I can really do in respect of that is talk a little bit quieter. Which is good for the planet anyway. Which is good for everyone anyway, but you know what I mean. Do-do-do-do. Alright. Cool. Okay. Yep. No. We're getting some panel action there. Let's Move that to the light. Oh, it's all black, so it can't really... Ah! Oh, come on. There you go. Catch some light. See the detail. Yeah. Straighten it up. Has to be ultra straight, otherwise there's no point. Getting some 90-degree angular action. That should either be a hashtag or a t-shirt. 90-degree angular action. And there's plenty of it as well. See, with the regular Speed Champions line, one of my favourite kits was the grey McLaren, and yeah, it looks really cool. It's one of those kits that looks very close to what the actual car is supposed to be as well, which I do appreciate when they can do. Of course, when a car has an iconic image, that helps. Like one of the best translations of that is the Mini Cooper, and they absolutely nailed the Mini Cooper look. You know, it's dead on. You look like there's no question. You look at that and it's a Mini Cooper. They absolutely nailed all the details and the iconic imagery of that particular motor. Some cars, however, have favoured less well, partly because the cars themselves aren't that well known, and that goes for like the modern Dodge Charger, the modern Chevrolets, the modern Ferraris, etc. They're not as iconic as like the classics, the GTs, the F40s, that sort of thing. But yeah, when LEGO managed to nail the look of a car, they do it to the nth degree. It's so well done. Okay. And as like, for example, this. I look at this and I can kind of see that there's a McLaren in there. Also as well, with the whole recreating the image of a car, it doesn't help that some car companies seem to be obsessed with trying to make their cars as vague as possible. This is kind of a gripe I have with cars to begin with, so, in a way, because for example, newer Jaguars, they have a bit of a squared off, almost a trapezoidy squared off grille, and the design looks so common, shall we say. Not that the common isn't a bad thing, but it looks like a design that you've seen again and again and again. Because you look at that kind of Jaguar, I think they're the XF series, I think. You look at those Jaguars and you could easily mistake them for Audis. You could easily mistake them for... what's the other one? Well, yeah, you get the idea. Yeah, they look so un-iconic, I suppose, is a way to describe it. So it's like, you know, you look at the XJs or the Sovereigns or the XKs even. You look at them and you think, those are Jaguars, my dear. Rawr. And then you look at an XF and it's... Wait, what's that again? I mean, I have these strongish opinions on them despite the fact I can't drive. Yet. That's another thing I'll get around to in the future. Okay. We've done... Well, when I say we've done this side with the blank space. And now we turn over. All right. And this is where we find out that this end that has been pointing towards the viewer in the instructions is the back end. What? Because look, check it, yo. Rear lights. See, sometimes I like it when LEGO does that in the instructions. It gives you an impression of throughout an entire book's worth, an entire page's worth of stuff. It gives you a certain impression, and then it flips the script, and you're all... This was unexpected. Okay. Do-do-do. I broke it. I fixed it. Oh. All right. Bit more bodywork. Oh, I didn't put that panel in. What am I like? There we go. Right, me. So you can already see the back end forming. Lovely. Okay. I need some more angular flat panel-y pieces, and I can't find them. Okay, I got him. I got him. Panic over. Don't you panic, Mr. Menrin. I've got them. Somewhere. Okay, the other one's disappeared now. Yeah, I've got it. It's one of those persnickety things that LEGO manages to get you doing. And I think I just got a notification on my phone. No, phone, you cannot do any notifications at this present time because you are streaming. And you're probably a bit overheating right now. Okay. And I've also made the Connect stand again, this time without the protrusion, so you don't have extraneous connects just staring at you, as if to say, yo, what about me? What about you indeed? Yeah, you can see it taking shape. It's exciting. Okay, so what do we do here? I'll tell you what we do here. We get some angular action going on. There we go. And... Go. Look. Straight. Is it straight? Straight! There we go. It's good enough. I like it. It'll do. Right, we'll put that there. Okay. Because now we have to put together a quick little something to attach to the main body. One of those. And yo, check it. Another one of those. Now what do we do with these? Why, of course, these become seats. Yes, that works. And now we put, oh, wrong one. Yeah, there we go. And now we put some F1 style architecture that runs from the back of the headrest. If anything, they are like racing stripes. They make the car look faster. And then, oh, wait. The folds are making it difficult. Okay. And now we got yellow bits here. And a yellow bit here. And... oh, that wasn't a snap. So we got an impression of an engine block. Sort of. At least the back end's. Look at that. Look at that. Back end's done by the wheels. Yeah. So broom broom almost. Okay. So let's shove these curves on here. What? There we go. Get some curvature going on. So you can sort of see the lines of the car, you know, taking shape. So to speak. Okay. Wait, what's next? Oh, Lego, why do you do this? Okay. Now we're doing other bits. So I should really, yeah. So yeah, about the music. Yeah, I was, because I think I mentioned in my last stream, on my last attempt at Lego streaming, that I'd like to put on some lo-fi by Mr. Luke Westaway in the background. And I love the work he's done, but in terms of lo-fi, he's only really done 2 tracks. So if you have those on repeat long enough, there will, yeah. we'll just get a bit bored of them. So what I want to do is just, I want to attempt something myself. And that's as much confidence you will get from stuff that I haven't actually tried that I believe I could attempt. Confidence? What is that? Guess what? Guess what, everyone? Wheels. Yeah. Anytime you build a Lego car, or any Lego vehicle for that matter, one of the best bits are the wheels. Not just because you're finally getting things rolling, but it's like the fundamental part of mobile transportation. So it's a case of every time you get to the wheels in Lego, you know you've got somewhere. You know you can now do something. And usually, when you build a Lego car, including the main Speed Champions sets, the wheels tend to be the last thing you put on.
But not today. Not with this one.
We're rolling. We're rolling. Yeah. Okay. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves, because we've still got stuff to do. For example, put this plate on. And then put this on. I think that represents the driver's side and like the wheel and what have you. Okay. And now we put that on. Yeah. And oh, guess what? Guess what? We got another one. Slap that on there. And I'm painfully aware that this isn't the best viewing experience. But hopefully, you will be able to see enough. Okay. cover up the egregiously coloured bits. Get some wheel arches on there. And is that everything? Oh, nearly. Nearly. And again, because this is representing a real vehicle, we're going for a bit of a snot build. Look at that. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. See, those details really come out. Okay. So that's the main body of the car. And I think that's, and according to the instructions, that is more or less done. But these cheeky little buggers, at least they're not sellotaped in. Alright, come out. We know you're in there. Stickers. Lego stickers. Sometimes you have to dance with the devil. In the pale moonlight or whatever that line is. Okay. It'll be worth it. Should be worth it. Okay, let's see if we can do this on the camera. Right, you see how anal I can get about these things. Look, it's gotta go in that corner. It's gotta go in that corner. It's gotta line up. It's gotta line up. There we go. Is it straight? Not entirely, but we can. That will do. That will do. All right. I think that's straight enough. Cool. Yep. I like that. I like it. Name that movie. Okay. That's 1. 1 out of 5. Whew. And took it out already. But this is what it means to stream Lego sometimes. Sometimes you gotta stick with it. Get some light in there. Don't breathe. Absolutely no. Oh dear. Absolutely don't breathe. There we go. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Yep. Lovely. That's 1 headlight. I'm aware that I could be a bit loud right now if I speak at my regular volume, because the phone is just literally inches away. So, let us continue. No, that one's gone wrong. Wrong. There we go. Okay. Okay. That one looks okay. Alright. Now, we need to do these back bits. The fast curve bits. And helpfully, they are both number 4s. So you can put either one on either side. And it doesn't conflict with instructions. So we shall do just that. That was a vibration on the phone, that wasn't me. I think. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Wait. You know what? I'll take it. That's fine. That's good. spongy tool or something. I don't have one of those. I have scissors. Yeah. All it takes is the smallest adjustment, and it can either correct it or completely ruin it. Right now, we're on a knife edge. Alright. I'm happy with that. And they look aligned as well. Sort of. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay. Now you can burn. I'm joking. I don't actually burn my instructions. Okay, here we go. It is done. Lovely. Well, that was a bit of excitement. Alright, get this. Wake up! There we go. Well, I don't know much about the actual model of car itself, but this get some light reflected there, yeah, there, so you can see some detail. Lovely. But this looks, it does look McLaren-esque. It definitely looks like a McLaren. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna give that a quick search right now, just to see. Right, what's the model of that? Elva. You are looking at Elva, McLaren Elva. Okay, McLaren Elva. McLaren Elva. Oh, I've already looked it up on the Lego store. It's in my memory. McLaren Elva. Show me. I see. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now then. Lovely. Okay, cool. Now I do all this without showing. Actually, I could just do that, couldn't I? There we go. That's your McLaren Elva. Where's the other image? There we go. Them's your McLaren Elvas. And that's the Lego version of it, or the mini Lego version of it. Initial thoughts, well, it definitely looks McLaren-esque. I can say that much for it. I wouldn't have known which make or model, well, which model of McLaren it was. And with it being a mini kit, you can only really do so much. However, it's a car. And, you know, it's got the main creases in the right place. Big crease here that it has in the actual car. Follows through here. If they did a bigger size model like with the other Speed Champions sets, then obviously they'll be able to put more detail in. They'll be able to make it more. They'll be able to make it look a bit more like the actual car. Because there's limitations, obviously, with this. I mean, this whole hood piece, for example, on the actual car, is one solid slope down, really, and it's broken up a bit here due to the limitations of the physical pieces. But it gives the impression, though, it's definitely got a bit of that shape going on in silhouette, I would say. So, yeah. I think this is actually the car I remember seeing an image of and thinking, why doesn't it have a windshield? I think it is this car, actually. Yeah. I don't remember where I saw it. Yeah, I don't remember where I've seen it before. But I know I've seen it recently. And I just remember seeing that and thinking, why is there no windshield? Looks a bit bizarre. Oh, that's why. I'm just having a look at the again. Okay. Yes, continue. Yes. Accept. Ah, my goodness. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's why it's in my memory, because there will be a larger scale kit of the McLaren Elva. Yeah. So that's where I've seen it before. That's where I've seen this whole idea of there's no windshield. What's happening? Okay. Well, I'm going to definitely have to pick up the larger scale set as well now. Just so I can have the big and small ones. Yeah, just compare the two. But there you go. That is your McLaren Elva, your little one, with no windshield. So, yeah, quick stream today, a little bit quick. No idea when I'll be streaming next. If you've seen any of my stuff before, you'll know that it's kind of a little bit ad hoc, as and when, etc., etc. So, yeah, if you're not following me on my other things, doing so would be much appreciated. And I'm going to go back to watching Camp Cretaceous Season 3 now. So, whilst we sign off and say goodbye, enjoy a lasting image of the windshieldless McLaren Elva. And I will see you whenever. Take care, everyone. Guys, gals, and non-binary pals. Especially you. Yes, you. Take care. Bye.